The artist residency here at Natural History Museum was an amazing experience. Just getting to access the archives and spend time with our ancestor mats, all from all across the Pacific, was just an amazing experience. We got to feel their energy, just being around the fibers. Really helped informed my practice as an artist. Been thinking, I speak a lot about weaving in terms of my storytelling and arts, and so we actually got to weave, physically weave the sister mats, and that really, informed where I'm going to go with my art practice and really helped grow and expand my process. Inspiration for the mat Echo that will be here at Natural History Museum. A lot of our Pacific Island community came together to weave all the mats, and the same was true for that one. KT has been instrumental in this whole project, so I wanted to acknowledge KT's effort, and especially since this one will be spending time in the archive room with KT, I thought it was only right that she should be the auntie, as all the other sister mats have aunties. The aunties are asked to help take care of the mats and to also name them. KT has named the mat Echo, and it speaks to the stories and Leah and I's experience here at Natural History Museum with our indigenous folks, with the collection, and even with some of the images that we've seen here in the museum.